It's black and white.
Hello everyone, in today's lesson we are going to do a profound overview on the text section. We have lots and lots of awesome templates for your text to look astonishing. Let's click on any one. We will just make the text bigger and change the color. This is my favorite text. By clicking on Group, you're going to split both the text separately. We will delete the bottom one. Let's rename it as Font. Change the font color to red. This is the effects section provided for the fonts. You have shadows, where we get a backdrop with less transparency. This is mostly used in YouTube thumbnails. You change the toggle to your wish. We have Lift, which brings a blurry black mess behind the text. Hollow makes your text unfilled. You can change the thickness. Splice gives a background color. Echo is an awesome tool, which gives a repetitive reflection of the font, which fades reflection by reflection. Glitch gives a TikTok style of effect to the text. Neon gives a glow type of effect to the font. In Shape, you get a curve style of effect, which you can make the curve to any direction at your wish. Let's delete this one. I will show you some custom text available in Elements section. Search letter watercolor in the search bar. Now we will find out M, E, L, and T. Now let us rearrange the text. Now click on Tidy Up. Let's add a cover photo. Resize. Make this as the background. Let us try TikTok style design. We will add a logo from Google. Now we will remove the background. Now we will add the logo. Now we will crop the text as TikTok. Now using the glitch effect, we will make the text match the design. Done. We will add a page and make another design. Search neon. You have lots of text available. Now we will change the color of the text. And we will go back to photos. We will choose a background. Cool. So like this you can make awesome designs using your favorite text. We will try with another background too. But previous one was better. So these are the designs we made in this lesson. Thank you everyone. In the next lesson we will go through the videos section. Catch you there, bye bye.
Running like a Hellcat.